Yeah.
Good to see you, sir.
Yeah. Hey, Willard. Nice to see you.
I'm fine.
Yeah.
Nice to see you too.
Yeah, I have to cut out my music now because the copyright it's too loud here. See you outside. Bye bye. Yeah guys, we're now in a typical Dutch snack bar, and Varun is with us. He's from India and he's gonna try the first time Dutch snacks. Huh? You never eat it? No. So we bought some snacks here, as you can see, and he's gonna eat it the first time. Huh? Are you hungry?
Yeah, but of course.
Yeah? We're gonna try it. We're gonna try with the normal frikandel. This is a typical Dutch snack, also Belgium snack.
Okay.
You can try it.
Okay, what's made of?
Hmm?
What it is made of?
All kind of meat, mostly chicken. Mostly chicken.
Okay.
Yeah, just eat it. Maybe you have to buy some mayonnaise also. No? Is it not free, mayonnaise? No.
No. Very flavorful.
Yeah? But you can be honest, huh? You can be honest, huh? You know. Huh?
It is like mince meat.
Yeah.
Kebab. It's really tasty.
Yeah, it's something like that, yeah.
I enjoyed it.
Very good?
Yeah. Okay, what next?
Yeah, I'm hungry too, I'm eating also. The frikandel was very good, very good. Even that it came outside of a wall. Huh? It's typical here in Holland. We don't do that in Belgium. So next one is the barmy schijf. Some kind of noodles. What is it? Noodles? Barmy. Barmy, yeah. With chicken, I think, inside and vegetables.
Okay.
Have a try. It can be a little spicy, but not much. No, you can eat. Take it all.
Try it first.
Well, there is noodles as well.
Yeah, good.
Really good.
But this is not so greasy, yeah?
Yeah.
It's more vegetables and yeah.
Very delicate and balanced flavors.
Oh, yeah.
It's pretty good.
Balanced, yeah.
Thumbs up to this.
Next one is the meat croquette, huh? Vleeskroket, as they say here. There's some sauce inside, and I think cow beef, huh? Or pork.
Can also be with chicken.
Can also be chicken, yeah. But we're gonna have a try, huh? You first. Curious what he thinks. Is it good?
Yeah, it's a paste of flavors inside this. Yeah. Very nice. Especially the black pepper.
Yeah, black pepper.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's adding flavors to it. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice.
We have them also in Belgium. This is more spicy, peppery.
Okay.
So the last one we have the kip corn. It's made of mostly of chicken, let me say that. It's very crunchy on the outside. It's not so greasy, but normally you eat it with mayonnaise, you know. Mayonnaise or ketchup or something.
From
Yeah.
KFC.
Yeah.
Very good.
Nice. I really like this. But you have to dip it in some mayonnaise, and then it's better.
Yeah. But for me, even this
Little bit dry.
Yeah. For me, even this is good.
No good?
This is good.
Yeah?
Even this is I like it. It's more like KFC chicken fingers.
It's
Similar to that.
chicken fingers. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think we finished, huh? So what do you think was the best of the four?
The third one
The third one with
was the black pepper.
Yeah, with the black
paste.
pepper.
Yeah, it was amazing.
the meat croquettes. Yeah.
I would rate it a 9.5 out of 10.
Yeah.
This would be a 8. Second one was a solid 9.
Yeah. With the noodles inside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The first one was also 8.
That's good, huh? For some snacks.
Yeah.
Some cheap snacks.
Yeah.
You hear it, huh? So, Dutch snacks, good. Now guys, we're gonna go on a boat tour, huh? I hope we will there in time, huh?
Yeah,
We only
yeah.
have 30
Yeah,
minutes. Yeah. See you later, guys.
Now we have only 30 minutes. Take the name of the photo. Photo of the place.
Ah, yeah. Fibu. Vero. Febo. The ball box. This is located in the Oudezeitse Voorburgwal. Yeah, it's the red light district here. Huh? So we're gonna find a taxi, huh?
Yeah, we have to.
Let's find a taxi. Where? Ah, hey. We got
Heineken experience.
for the boat tour. You know it?
Heineken experience.
Just Heineken experience on the opposite
Oh
side.
yeah. Okay, thank you. How much is it?
I think that you're gonna sit around the 25 euros.
Really? 25? Really? Oh. 25.
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Ze hebben ook heel veel wegen afgesloten. Vroeger konden we nog het Paleisstraat op en via daar het gracht over.
Amstel was made narrow. Wharfs
Can
and
you hear it,
warehouses
guys?
had been filled in. Soon the walled city was bursting its seams. So in 1425, 1612, 2 new canals were dug out with a new canal encircling them, and the Jordan was built with its criss-crossed streets.
Yeah, guys, the boat tour. Very interesting, yeah. And of course, you have the different languages here. And Jeroen, what I say, Jeroen. Jeroen is coming, sitting next to me. What do you think so far, Jeroen?
Good, nice,
Yeah.
pretty informative.
It's getting dark now.
Yeah, it's getting dark.
Yeah, so you can listen to the guide here on the computer. It's not always talking, or only sometimes. Huh? Yeah. But today it's a very beautiful day with the sunset. Is it sunset? Yeah. Sunset. Sunset is very beautiful today. And you can even smoke here on a boat, behind of course, and not inside the boat. So we're gonna have a smoke, I think, Varun?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Why not?
Why not? Huh?
Yeah.
I'll film a little bit from outside. Because here inside I get a little bit claustrophobia. See the mini bikes that are parked here on the bridges everywhere. Look at that sun there, huh? It's shining on the old buildings here. 17th century.
In the beer, and the process of brewing beer kills all the bacteria from the water. The beer was much healthier than the water, and that is why everyone drank beer in that time. Even children drank beer in that time. Just, yeah, it was more healthy than the water. So,
Children drink beer.
nowadays, of course, when they make our Heineken, they use normal mineral water to do that on. We always say that the canal water nowadays, that is then only used for the export beers.
It's getting dark. So after this boat tour, maybe we're gonna eat some more, because we only eat some snacks. Very tasty for Varun. And maybe we're gonna eat some Thai snack or something, Thai food. And then gonna drink something and have a visit to the red light district also, to the Walla.
You can imagine that when they took new plants and flowers back to Amsterdam, a lot of medicine were also developed, but for example, also coffee, the first coffee plant.
How long are you doing this now?
I do this for 10 years almost.
Really?
Yes.
Being a captain and a guide?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. And you still love it every day?
Every day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at this. I did this for work.
Yeah, this is work. And we have to pay for it.
Yeah. No, I really love to do it. Yeah.
Oh. Yeah guys, we're gonna smoke your joint. What? I'm filming me. But I can't show you smoking the joint, of course. I think because of YouTube rules. So I can show you the joint. I can show you me getting high, but I cannot show you me smoking. So, but believe me, I will smoke it. And my friends here also, they're gonna try also. So talk to you later. I don't think we can film here. Varun with his big choco. Huh? For me a Red Bull. Huh? You can't have alcohol inside. Huh? looks nice. Huh? It's a little bit more expensive than in Thailand. Breakfast. This toast with eggs was about €5. It's still okay. And coffee was €2.8 something. So in total, €7.8. I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat first. Talk later. Bye.
Is good?
Ja, heel goed, dank
Can I
je.
bring you anything else?
No, thanks.